Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add frame on your video by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app. Right now tap on the video, then you guys can choose your draft video or you guys can add a new by tapping on new, then choose the video that you want to work with, then tap on the check mark. In here if you scroll like this and you guys can find out background option. If you tap on here, then you guys can find out this. If you tap on the photo icon, then choose the photo to use it as your frame. Now you have to zoom it like this, and then you guys can see here is a frame with my video, and then tap on the check mark to save it. If you tap on the save option here, then you can save it from InShot app and then it will be saved in your device. So this is how you guys can add frame on your video by using InShot app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.